my fault. I'm attempting to do what Maddie did, except I'll do it better. Apparently.
Well, you did gymnastics. I did not.
That doesn't mean I have any balance, trust me.
Not so easy, huh?
Oh, that's like a bouncy.
It is.
That's bouncy.
Bouncy, bounce, bounce, bounce.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna try one leg like Maddie did. Oh.
Ninja.
Once I have two feet on. Oh, got it.
Red switch. Let me see if I can do that.
No, it might break now because I just like broke it. Wanna go to a different trunk? It just fell. There you go. No, jump. I fall back. Either way works. Okay, Matt, let's go do a different one now, because it's like... Jump. Or not. Okay, here, hold this.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
Yes, we're ready.
Try it. Oh, they went home. They came home.
Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
Easy.
Because it's thick.
Ready? Let's try this with me singing now. Yeah. What should I sing?
Climb.
No. I want to go with sad moments. Okay. Try. No, that's a sad song too. Oh, put your iPod on. Put higher on. Give me higher, higher, higher off the ground. We are who we are.
Who do you want? What do you want?
What song do you have? Ow! That wasn't smart. I don't know. You're not ready. I'm gonna try dance moves. I feel like I'm downstairs on it now. Can't do this. No, I gotta try jump. That won't work. Ooh, now you do a little dance there. Now I gotta jump over these. Oh god! Oh, maybe I just tried to do that. No, I can't get on. I like this song. Keep it. I can't. Maddie! The camera! Looks like I'm bowing to somebody. Okay, go over there and I'm gonna jump. What do you want me to do? Straddle.
I don't know.
What should I do?
Do something.
Should I do a straddle?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna do one of these really preppy moves.
Okay.
I feel like a cheerleader. No, I don't think. Oh, fall. So I'm not a cheerleader. Another reason I have no balance.
Oh my gosh.
They're falling down. Maddie, your turn.
Oh yay.
Come on, give it. Give me the music. In the phones. Hold on, I got them all. Oh, hot damn. What? No, this way, you dipshit. Oh, yeah. Keep my balance. It looks like you're dancing. I wasn't trying to. I couldn't keep my balance. Don't worry, I do that too a lot. Don't fall. Okay, try it. I was trying to.